Hello, and welcome back to the 4 County Real Estate Show. I'm your host, Kevin Carey at Caliber Home Loans. I've got Chris Thompson here with the Chris Thompson team of RE/MAX. Obviously, right now, if you've been following the show, been following the market, we've been talking about how competitive it is, right? Multiple offers, more buyers than there are inventory. And from an investor standpoint, most investors shy away in a market like this.
They do. I know I have a handful of them that are just sitting on the sidelines right now, ready for a market dip, correction, crash, whatever you want to call it. That might be 6 months, that might be 6 years away. We don't know.
Right.
So if you are a real estate investor and you're looking to pick up more properties in this market, there still are deals to be made. I'm actually going through one right now with a client. She sold two bedroom, 1 bath condos, 2 individual, just standard condo units, and rolled that into a 1031 exchange and is buying now a 4-unit building. That is increasing her cash flow about $3,000 a month.
That's
and
huge.
It cost her 0 out of pocket.
That's huge.
Now, obviously those taxes will be due one day, but by doing the 1031 exchange, she's able to kick the can down the road and use every single penny from the sale of those 2 condos that were paid off. She's been an investor for a long time. Not everybody can start out like that, of course, but you do have to start. So that's just working out super well. She's super happy. We got past the home inspection on it. There's a couple minor things that the owner was more than happy to take care of for us. So there are really good deals out there. A couple things to look for. How long has it been on the market? If something's brand new on the market, there's probably going to be 15 to 30 people beating the door down on that thing because we do have really low inventory. I don't care if it's in horrible condition, there's still a whole bunch of people going to look at it. So if a property's been on the market for, say, a month, in this climate, that's an eternity. So that would probably be a good property to go take a look at. The longer something sits on the market, generally, the more willing to negotiate that seller is.
So a house has been on the market for a while, right? Like you said, 3 weeks, 4 weeks is like an eternity
like
right
forever.
now, right?
Yes.
What are some of the reasons why that house would be sitting for that long?
I coined a term a couple years ago. I call it the big 3: price, condition, and location. If those 3 things match, your home will sell in any market. If one of those things is off, it's gonna sit there. If you have a subpar house, but you're trying to get top dollar for it, it's gonna sit there. You'll probably get a decent amount of traffic in your first 2 weeks because it's brand new. That's generally when, I think it's about 85–90% of all of your traffic comes in that first 2 weeks while it's still new. Once it sits there longer, then nobody really pays attention to it anymore because they feel like something's wrong with it.
Okay. So obviously what we're trying to tell you is, as an investor, if you're thinking about getting into investing, obviously it's something Chris and I can help you with. But at the end of the day, it doesn't always mean that there's not good inventory out there for an investor. So don't just automatically assume, hey, this is not a market I want to be a part of.
Correct. It might be one every 6 months that comes across that fits the criteria you're looking for, but there's at least one.
Right. Well, Chris, thanks a lot for being here today.
Appreciate
You passing on the wisdom. If you have any questions on investing or how to become an investor, how the program works, how you qualify, how to identify an investment property, Chris and I's information is right there behind us. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you again, Chris, for being here.
Absolutely.
And you guys have a great day. Take care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.